Hey beautiful people, let's detox our body from heavy metals, parasites, and radiation. So first we're going to use 1 cup of baking soda. Baking soda has many health benefits. Skin relieving is one of them, from conditions like eczema, and potentially aiding in the treatment of yeast infections or UTIs. That's ingredient number 1. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of Epsom salt. Epsom salt helps exfoliate dead skin cells and helps improve skin hydration. Spread it all out. Ingredient number 3, we're going to use some Bentonite Clay, 1 cup. This ingredient is important. It draws out impurities, reduces oiliness, and potentially smoothing out irritated skin. 1 cup. Boop. And our last ingredient is going to be borax, 1 cup. Borax is a powerful detoxing agent that helps remove toxins from the body. It works by binding to heavy metals and other toxins. Don't forget your borax, okay? Now, once we add all the ingredients in, this is how it looks. And our water temperature is hot. You want to make it as hot as possible, but please, you know, to what you can take, to what you can handle. But make sure it's hot. We don't want to detox in cold or warm water. Okay. Let's get rid of them heavy metal. Let's get rid of the parasites. Let's remove it. When we stay ready, we don't have to get ready. And you don't have to spend a lot of money. All these products I purchased off Amazon, okay? Have a beautiful day. Take care of yourself. And oh yeah, 20 minutes. You want to soak for at least 20 minutes. 20, don't exceed 30 minutes. And you can have the detox bath once a week.